Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2252 refers to a specific issue encountered in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, indicates that there is a low voltage condition in the air-fuel sensor circuit, specifically related to sensor 1. The A-fuel sensor is crucial for maintaining the proper air-fuel mixture in the engine for optimal combustion, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. Positioned before the catalytic converter, this sensor measures the ratio of air to fuel entering the engine. A malfunction in this sensor or circuit can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. It's essential for technicians to address these issues promptly to maintain vehicle performance and compliance with emission standards. The AF sensor, Sensor 1, is a critical component in the vehicle's fuel management system. Its primary role is to measure the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, which the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, uses to adjust fuel delivery and ensure efficient engine performance. The AF sensor is located upstream of the catalytic converter, where it can accurately gauge the quality of the mixture before combustion. A correctly functioning sensor helps the PCM optimize engine operations, contributing to better fuel efficiency and lower toxic emissions. When the DTC P2252 is triggered, it signifies that this sensor is sending low voltage signals, leading to potential issues in engine performance if not resolved. Several factors can contribute to the triggering of DTC P2252. One possible cause is damaged or shorted wiring within the sensor circuit, particularly the VS line that connects the AF sensor to the PCM. Another potential cause could be a malfunctioning AF sensor itself, which may not respond correctly to changes in fuel composition. Additionally, issues related to the PCM, including faulty processing or signal interpretation, can also lead to this DTC being set. Identifying the exact cause is crucial for proper repairs, as it ensures that the vehicle's fuel management system can function optimally. Symptoms associated with DTC P2252 can significantly impact vehicle performance. Poor fuel efficiency is one of the most common signs, as the engine struggles to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio. Additionally, drivers may experience rough idling, indicating improper fuel delivery and combustion issues. Increased emissions may also be observed, leading to potential failure during emissions testing. As a result, addressing the fault indicated by DTC P2252 is essential to prevent further engine and environmental complications. Understanding these symptoms can help in diagnosing the problem effectively. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2252 involves confirming the problem and verifying the vehicle's status. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the current DTCs, resetting any stored trouble codes. After clearing, start the engine and maintain an engine speed of 3,000 RPM without load, which can be done by ensuring the continuously variable transmission, CVT, is in Park P or neutral N for manual transmissions. Observe the radiator fan activation to monitor any changes in engine performance. Finally, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS, allowing for further diagnosis of this malfunction. In Step 2 of troubleshooting DTC P2252, begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode. Afterward, jump the SCS service check signal line using the HDS and wait for more than 1 minute for the system to stabilize. Subsequently, disconnect the connectors for the PCM and AF sensor, Sensor 1, to access the wiring harness. With the connectors removed, check for continuity between the designated test points. Test point 1 is located at the PCM connector E, ADP, pin number 73, while test point 2 is at the body ground. If continuity is found, it indicates a short in the wiring between the PCM and the AF sensor, requiring necessary repairs. If no continuity is detected, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. The third troubleshooting step for DTC P2252 involves examining the A factor sensor, sensor 1, itself. Start by substituting the original A factor sensor with a known good replacement to see if the issue persists. After replacing the sensor, reconnect all previously disconnected connectors to ensure proper electrical connections. Use the HDS to exit the service check signal mode and turn the ignition to the on position. Following this, reset the PCM to clear any existing codes and allow for learning by performing the PCM idle learn procedure. Finally, check for pending or confirmed DTCs again using the HDS to see if DTC P2252 reappears. If the DTC is still present, further investigation into the PCM may be required. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC P2252, ensure that final repair verification is conducted for thoroughness. Check for any authorized service information that could provide additional insights related to this DTC, as well as symptoms that may not have been addressed. If DTC P2252 persists, consider substituting the original PCM with a known good unit to validate the PCM's functionality as a potential fault source. This step helps confirm whether the original PCM may be contributing to the problem. Verifying repairs ensures the integrity of the vehicle's systems and promotes efficient operation moving forward. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding issues like DTC P2252 in the future. Regular inspections of wiring and connectors associated with the AF sensor are essential, as corrosion or wear can lead to circuit failures. Maintaining sensor cleanliness is equally important, since debris accumulation can affect the sensor's performance and accuracy. It's best to use only quality replacement parts when servicing or replacing components within the fuel system to ensure compatibility and reliability. By instituting these maintenance practices, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of recurring DTCs and enhance overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2252 and its implications is crucial for maintaining the performance of Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. This code indicates an issue with the AF sensor circuit and necessitates a systematic approach to troubleshooting. Key components, including the AF sensor and PCM, play vital roles in ensuring optimal fuel management. Following the structured troubleshooting process allows technicians to accurately identify and rectify the source of the problem effectively. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance practices can extend the lifespan of critical components and help prevent future occurrences of similar DTCs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.